Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to solve the Vlookup formula for this sales data of a supermarket. So here I have the sample data. So using this data, we will find out the price and the quantity for each of the customer ID in a simplified way, in a quick way rather, right? So instead of scrolling this entire data and checking the price and quantity for each of the customer ID, we will use the VLOOKUP formula to make it simplified, right? So here first I will enter the customer ID, any one customer ID, and now I will write down the VLOOKUP formula to find out the price and quantity for this customer ID and also to the rest of the customer IDs, right? So in total we have around 4134, right? So for every customer ID you can't just scroll and check the price and quantity. So what we can do is first let's write the VLOOKUP formula. So VLOOKUP and lookup value will be our customer ID here, and the table array will be the entire data here. So entire data, and the column index number will be the price column, right? Because here we are looking at the price. We want the price for this customer ID. So this is column 1, this will be column 2, and this will be column 3, right? So price is in column number 2, right? So we need to enter 2, and we want exact match for this formula, right? So close the bracket and hit enter. Now you can now let's do the same thing for quantity as well. Just I'll copy and paste the formula here, and I will get the value. Now we can re-verify this values here 139 and 94 for this one. So same customer ID and the values are also matching, right? Now if I want to do the same for the rest other customer IDs, then I will use a drop down here, right? So to use the drop down, we have to use the data validation. For that, click Alt A B B. So enter Alt A B B and select the list value here. So from source, select the all the customer IDs from top to bottom and click OK. And here you can see we got the drop down of all customer IDs, right? From here you can check any you can select any customer ID and you will get the values associated to this ID. Now I selected this one, which is this one, Horibo 01. So the price and quantity are matching, right? So now in the same way, let's select this Montem, and you can now I'll select the. So here is that customer ID Montem. So here you can see 162 and 85 are the values, right? So price and quantity both are matching, right? So in this way you can use the VLOOKUP formula for if you have any large data like this, then you can use the VLOOKUP formula to easily get the values within 5 minutes, I would say, right? So I hope you understood the formula here, VLOOKUP formula. So if you have any questions, please put it down in the comment section. I will answer them. Also, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.